If you're facing the error code TFLA0028 in the finals, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this problem. In most cases, the error code TFLA0028 occurs when the final servers are down or undergoing maintenance. Simply wait a few hours and try again later. You can also try the following. Restart your device and router by turn off your device and router, wait a few minutes and then try to turn it back on again and try to launch the game. If you have restarted your device and router, but you're still facing again the same problem, then try to clear your DNS cache. If you're using PC, just open the command prompt by typing on the search bar cmd. Just type cmd and press enter. This will open command. Now type this command, which is ipconfigure//DNS, and press enter. This will clear the DNS resolver cache, forcing the system to fetch fresh DNS. Records. If you do so, but you're still again facing the same problem, then if you are still facing the same problem, open a support ticket and contact the finals. So you can contact the finals using this page, which will be available in the description. You can just contact them and explain to them that you are facing the error code, which is TFLA0028, and they will guide you on how to fix this issue. But in most cases, this occurs when the final servers are down. So simply just wait probably like a few hours and the issue will be fixed itself.